Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your whole PC. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up all your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. This ensures you don't lose precious photos, documents, or videos. A full PC reset can resolve many software issues, giving your system a fresh start, but it will remove all installed applications and personal settings. Make sure you are 100% ready for this step. To start the reset process, navigate to your computer settings. You can usually find this by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon. Once in Settings, look for the Recovery option, often found under System or Update and Security. Here, you'll see the Reset This PC section. This is your gateway to giving your computer a clean slate, preparing it for a fresh installation of its operating system. You'll be presented with two main options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Choosing Keep My Files will reinstall Windows but retain your personal data, though it will remove all applications. Remove Everything performs a complete wipe, deleting all personal files, apps, and settings, making it ideal if you're selling or giving away your PC. Consider your goal carefully before making this significant choice. After selecting your preferred reset type, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. The reset process can take anywhere from several minutes to an hour or more, depending on your system's speed and the option chosen. Your PC will restart multiple times during this period. Once complete, you'll have a fresh operating system, ready for you to reinstall your essential applications and restore your backed up data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.